Hello and welcome to Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. I'm Ronnie Humphrey. Thanks for joining me today. Well, in our last episode, we got some primer on the truck, and today we're going to tackle the interior, see if we can get some of that stuff straightened up and cleaned up in there. So right along with us. We're going to start off by taking all this padding off. This is old. We're going to hopefully clean up some of this roll cage. Going to take all that padding off over there. Probably going to end up painting this dash and also painting that center bar. I don't know if we're going to pull the seat out. The seat is just not really up to speed as far as safety. We're going to put a new seat in it. I don't know if we probably go ahead and pull it out today as well. I may go ahead and get it out and just get it out of the way to give me better access inside. We do have a dent right here. Let me try to straighten this up. So we'll have to pull that out and get that fixed. But anyway, let's get started on this, see if we can start trying to make some progress on the interior of this thing and get things cleaned up a little bit. You see all the cleanup's got to be done in here, some touch up, just basically a lot of cleanup. Have to put new seat belts in anyway. These are all bad, out of date. So we'll have to get those done. And now I can get access there and get stuff kind of cleaned up. Probably gonna go ahead and pull all of the, we may leave some of the stickers on there, I'm not sure. We may pull some of them off, but gotta get all this cleaned up. Gotta straighten this still. But anyway, move on to the next thing, see if we get this dash cleaned up a little bit and start on that. Okay, that got the top done, got that center bar cleaned up, and I'm gonna get here. We've got to do a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time trying to tape up these decals, so we will get that done next, and we'll hit it with some flat black paint all the way across. So I won't bore you with all those details. We'll get it cleaned up and see if we get some paint on it, and let you look at it then. All right, we got everything cleaned up and roughed up. I'm gonna leave these bars the way they are, but the center bar looks a lot better. Probably going to pull these decals off. I'm not sure about I may try to leave those 3 on there, I'm not sure, but I can have the decal company out in North Carolina go ahead and recreate those for me. It'd be kind of cool leaving the original ones on there, I guess, if I can tape them off. It's just those 3 little or 4 little things here on the end. It's gonna be hard to do. But the Delco Remy, I know that's probably original. I think it's correct, that was added by the last owner. But we'll get this side here all cleaned up and spray everything flat black, and that'll be another item off the long list we got to do. Well, we have everything cleaned up, sanded, and ready for paint. Got everything taped off. So let's see if we can get a little bit of black color on here, and we'll come back, and if we get any overspray anywhere, we'll just clean it off with some brake cleaner. But I think we're good to go now. Man, I'm excited how this turned out. Looks very, very, very nice. Main thing, getting some paint on that center bar now. But looks great. A lot better than it did. So, that's got this project done. We'll move on to something else. Well, that wasn't anything super exciting today, but it's something that had to be done, and it's another item we can check off the list. But I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. We'll see you next time on Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. God bless you. Take care.